The education sector has undergone unprecedented disruptions due to COVID-19, which affect the normal face-to-face delivery of education. With that, the primary concern of the Department of Education is to ensure learning continuity of K-12 and to continuously deploy multiple learning delivery modalities under the new normal. But learners have suffered from unpreparedness in the implementation of online distance learning. One primary factor that intensifies the challenge is insufficient resources. The finding on the problem of insufficient resources also came out in the study, Educational Orientation of Generation Y, Accounts of Students. The study revealed that students faced challenges due to a lack of ICT resources and internet access at home. Thus, this policy brief entitled Provision and Utilization of Educational Technology in the New Normal is necessary to address the prevailing issue. I am Cromwell F. Gupo of Tagum National Trade School. At present, at least 60% of households have limited internet access and only 58% of Filipinos use devices for online learning. In Tagum City Division, not all public school students have access to computers, tablets, and/or mobile phones and internet. Data revealed that computer student ratio in the division is 1:6 or 17% only. Further, the absence of technology at home would mean problem on virtual interaction, output accomplishment, and access to support groups and valuable learning sites. To address such a problem, a policy for developing a technology provision and utilization plan is proposed. Tagum City Division has a firm policy of adhering to the principle of providing technological support to underprivileged but deserving learners to continue their education despite the pandemic. The department has a vital role in addressing the issues of digital divide and inequality. This policy aims to establish a practical procedure for technology provision and utilization, create a mechanism for the beneficiary selection process and distribution, formulate a clear-cut procedure in establishing linkages with NGOs and the LGU, recruit and develop qualified, committed, and motivated staff, provide literacy training to students and parents for proper and responsible usage of the technology. To realize these visions for the approval of the Department of Education, the Division of Tagum City hopes for the support and commitment of all stakeholders and other key personnel. If we are not going to address this concern now, my question is, when? Maayong adlaw, Rehiyon 11.